So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a little farm run by Colbeck. Very close to the castle. Watermelon, sweet pepper, callaloo. So this just show you, for the persons who are interested in buying the house, it's just show you that you're going to get a piece of land that is absolutely fertile. So you can plant up your vegetable, plant up your backyard. Nadi,
Yo,
pick up yourself.
yeah man.
Yeah man. So Nadi there, you know, the farmer, you know.
Alright, come on, son.
Farmer. You don't mind going on video, Nadi?
No man.
Alright.
No mind,
So this is Nordia Lindsay. I'm a classmate, you know, guys. From my school days. I'm from primary school, Nadi?
Primary.
From primary. Go straight up to high school. So she do her farming. I said, I tell
Yes,
herself,
auntie.
woman do everything, you know.
Yeah man.
Look at the farm.
Over there, some Irish.
Yeah, you have Irish potato over there, so.
Right over there, son.
Alright, so we'll go over there.
Down there, some cucumber.
Alright.
Recent the cucumber plant, so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm go one place in Clarendon named Bagwell and get some dashing when me actually look like that the well.
Yeah, that look at the well, man. It's at the dashing over there, so.
So over here, so up here, so now I'm a playground, but the main crop,
Yeah.
down on the bottom, but across some playground.
Okay.
You get me, I say?
Also, where you grow for your main crop?
Cucumber.
Okay.
Cucumber and pumpkin, me have do.
Okay.
But this can sell me gas money and me 30 money and
And
yeah.
keep the thing afloat.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So guys, it's what me talk about. You see how important agriculture is, how important farming is. So now I'm going to walk around and show the people them the thing here. Alright. So we have cabbage. We have a plot of cabbage here, so. And as she say, this is our playground. Our real farm is down there, but we don't have enough time to go down there and show you guys. But I am at very close to the castle, Colbeck Castle in Old Harbour. And I must tell you that this piece of land, this landmass, is agricultural land. So the houses are actually building on agricultural land. And a lot of people are saying that, you know, the government shouldn't go ahead and build houses. But I saw it go, yeah, man. It is what it is. But I know so it's supposed to go still, you know, me and tell you. Because agricultural land is slated. Now, the way them plant your name? Them one? Oh, this is the red. So this is the red callaloo or the red amaranth. So, people on YouTube, red amaranth, right? I just say the red callaloo. That it is. So we have a lovely plot of callaloo all the way up. See it there? All the way up. And she have her sprinkler system over here. Her sprinkler system there she use. And she plant her pop chai. And one thing about this land, you know, man, it is absolutely fertile. If you see the color of the soil, it is black, deep, full of humus. So I'm saying, and this land is very flat. So you know that the flatter the land is, the more fertile it is. That is why it is in Psalm 1. The most fertile land is down by the sea or down by the river. You shall be like the plant that planted by the rivers of water that bringeth forth fruit in the season. Because when the water comes from the hill, it carries along topsoil and then it wash and the soil settle. So that is why flatter lands are more fertile and more suitable for agricultural purpose. So this one over here now is potato, sweet potato. I'm just a carry on through. So she have some cucumber. So all I hear is a cucumber. And as me telling you people, a woman, when we go to school, a son Nordia stays, a girl, she's not afraid to get her hands dirty. Eh? Alright, so she'll carry on with the cucumber plant. Nordia, so if I want, like, when I want to spend money with you, I can come around here and get my stuff them. Alright, I'll get your number, so I can support the thing now there. I not even know, so you say there, you know? Pass me a pass and me and Chin and she say, you don't know Nordia, see Nordia there? Yeah. So you see it? My God, man, them pretty, man. Pretty, man. So you see the good old cucumber in YouTube. See them there? Farming, feeding the nation, feeding the world. So water is readily available on Nadi. Irrigation water. Yeah man.
Right too.
Them look good now, them not lie. Them pretty.
You know what I see first?
Jesus.
Brother, a ball.
Look good man.
Them how I feel.
Yeah man, we give thanks man.
Yeah,
We give thanks Nadi.
And down there says a sweet potato.
Down the side sweet potato plat.
Yeah. But
So I just all of this are your plat go down.
yeah.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Good
Me
Nadi.
a part this in a,
Women in agriculture, don't you?
yeah man.
Woman power.
Me a part this and now in a down. You see down below where you see down cucumber there.
Mm-hmm.
Me a bust this on half in a cabbage
Mm-hmm.
and half in a carrot.
Yeah.
You see you pond down there so like where grass left
Yeah, that's a down the sun.
pumpkin.
God.
Yeah.
God.
That's what me I do.
Yeah, inspire the nation, Nadi.
Yes man.
Yeah, inspire the nation. So I mean always I tell young people, you know, if go into agriculture because I just saw the money there. So COVID tell you what there. Everybody now buying no clothes, nobody now buying no shoes. A food them a buy.
Nobody now buy no vehicle.
Nothing. A food them a buy now.
A food people.
Yeah, food.
I want to tell us a cow pass through this morning.
Mm-hmm.
What they are going tonight?
Yeah, I'm glad to link you up.
We get one half percent of pumpkin and you flood.
Oh yeah, flood out there. Yeah, because we have a big rain. Yeah. But when it flood, it don't flood out for long.
No, it don't flood out for long. It don't flood out for long.
So you see it? You just hold it. Right here, see? See it?
You want me? Now the other day, when the thing flood out, me and the minister down at them day. Them that go do a thing but you know reach it. Don't wait for them.
That's true. That of Mr. Fly Green. Yeah. Minister of Agriculture. Oh, so you have a little patch coming up now.
Yes.
While I one there.
Yes.
Yeah man.
And we go back to it yesterday. When I come,
Mm-hmm.
we go back to it.
And replant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because cutter.
Yeah, I mash you up.
Yeah.
Jesus.
So,
So you see why we have to respect the farmers them? Them are the food basket. I'm not talking them are not the food basket, them are the food itself going in the basket. Understand? They must feed the nation.
and the things are expensive. Always and
Very Nadi, me know enough. Me know because me get some holes for the school over there and it's a 1.5 million out of holes. Yeah, for potatoes.
You do something there.
We are the greenhouse. We are the greenhouse. So we get one greenhouse, I'm supposed to get another one. But because of the whole big seating, you know, it does a whole of things. But me love where you're going with, man. Ah, yes. Yeah. Alright. So like people come on the farm and buy things? That mean I'm gonna ask you like if you how you sell your produce. If people them come and buy or you go and you sell.
You the boat.
You the boat.
Yeah. People will pass through.
Yeah.
They can get their dinner.
Yeah.
You not turn back.
Yeah.
They not be looking at
So this are the Irish.
yeah, I'll go to something stage you know. Reaping stage.
So if you never see Irish potato, that's how it look.
Reaping stage, that's set of fruit. That's how it look like it a dry down.
That's that one so.
Yeah.
Let me see what the best I can.
Yeah,
Alright. Yeah. The Irish. The potato there. Right, that's all.
Yeah, man.
It's naughty.
Yeah, man. And that one they plant like 2 weeks before this one. This one green and
Yeah.
yeah. And somebody give 1, 2 bag and me say me a check and me love what me see. That's what me say I say yeah,
Yeah. The testing area.
yeah.
I don't know what you call it now. And the experimental field. Yeah man. For real. For real.
I see one of the little pot there.
So you sow carrot seed in this? Yeah, man.
Because remember, me did tell you half of one side down this are strictly care, but
Yeah.
that playground.
Yeah. So she have carrot over here, so. And as you can see, very, very dark. And if you don't want to link up Nordia, just come up right where you have the Colbeck Castle. Same road, just before you reach down to the castle. Her farm is on the left hand side.
Then they are packed.
You want to leave a number Nordia so they can link you up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and maybe people who can, support the thing. Just link up Nordia and
335
yeah.
6403.
So that's 335 6403. Alright, and you know 1876. Yeah, Jamaica area code. Alright, people. I want to say thanks to Nordia. We want to carry them over to the Dashi. Yeah, but the battery on the game will run out, so that's why the video gets so shaky.
Look at the knife.
Yeah.
Scallion.
Oh my God, look at the scallion. So anything, practically anything we go up here.
Yeah, playground.
Yeah.
Scallion.
Ramping shop. Yeah, man. She just play around and experiment and see. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, this is Jamaica.
Yeah, man. It's not the Jamaica is here.
Alright, so this is Jamaica. So you can ask for Jamaica or Mr. Lindsay. Alright. And this is the Dashin. Yeah. And we have pumpkin here too. It beer. Yeah. And Dashin is a nice staple, you know. Yeah, man. Dashin, especially with steamed fish. Bossy, man. Pan of pumpkin here. Lovely. Big pumpkin. So you know, so that pretty, you know. I see our next one down here, so. Yeah, man. I don't want you let you come up there, man. So our next pumpkin there.
Yeah, man.
See our next one over there, so.
Yeah,
that is the farmland they use up below.
Oh, God, man. Me say, grieve, you know, man. Grieve, man. See another pumpkin there.
What anything else up as a Nikal? As I would say, a bag will go and get them.
Yeah.
I say we don't really see nobody
Have the Dashin, yeah.
And can't try.
Yeah.
Brother. I see if you now go to the good there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And yeah, them nice.
Nice.
They're nice. So remember, guys, check out Nordia. You know, she's really close to the castle, so you can't miss her. Support the farm, support agriculture, support Jamaica. For home and garden fix and tricks, I'm Nikal. Big up. Peace.